Hey everybody, it's Brian. Hey, I'm back after about a week of being off. I was doing some traveling for work out in Denver, so I didn't really have much time to make any content this last week. So I'm back. It's a beautiful day outside. Finally, it's been nasty and rainy and stormy all week here in Oregon, so I didn't really have any good days to do any flying. So what I did today is I'm going to take my Pavo20 Pro and we're going to take it, and I've already taken it and I've removed the DJI 04 unit Air Unit Lite, and I installed the 04 Air Unit Pro. Pretty cool looking, right? So my problem is that I put my order in for this unit from Camrise, New York City a few weeks ago, and I put the order in, and literally the next day on the internet, there's this big explosion of all these articles and videos about how the new 04 Air Unit Pros are having a problem with the gyroscope. So I got my 04 Air Unit Pro. The serial number on the bottom has a P1G in the middle of it, which means 2026 January the 7th is the manufacturer date. All the problem ones that I've seen so far have been from February 2026 and on. So hopefully ours doesn't have a problem. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take it over to my regular practice park, and then we're going to record a couple of minutes using Rocksteady, and then we're going to record a couple of minutes using no stabilization, and then I'm going to stabilize it in Gyroflow afterwards. And then we'll see. We'll watch the video and see if we have any issues with frames dropping out or jittery or looking out of control crazy or anything like that. So fingers crossed. Let's go fly. All right, we're back from flying. Both videos to me look pretty darn good. I can't tell a huge difference when people use Gyroflow versus Rocksteady in the first place, if I'm being honest. Um, but they both look good to me, and I don't have any issues that I can see with the gyro data getting out of whack or, things looking all jittery or anything like that. So I think I'm good. I'm going to keep my eye on it though, and if I have anything pop up, I'll make sure to make another video about that and we can talk about it, all right? All right, well, thanks for watching my videos. I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.